Guys, my name is Fadilectos. In this video I will show you how to make money online even if you are a complete beginner. This does not require any KYC approval, no investment, no skills, no time consuming. Even a child can do this to get the result in less than 10 minutes. This method is all for free and you can make up to 1.50 cents dollars every second worth of cryptocurrency by just inviting new users. I know you are searching for a better way to make money online and fire your boss or fulfill the type of life you desire. If you love these types of content, then give me that thumbs up and click on the red button and the bell that whenever I upload a new video you get notified. So let's get into the video, guys. Okay guys, I won't make this video long. I will go step by step and show you what is supposed to be done and how you are going to be able to make that 150 cents dollars each and every second. Now, as you can see, now I am on my laptop dashboard, and this website, as you can see here, is saying that thanks for your interest in Ecoin, the world's fastest growing crypto. You earn 300 Ecoins when you sign up, and for every friend you refer, as you can see here, and you can spend Ecoins instantly for free airtime, talk time, or even cash out to your local currency. 1,000 Ecoins buy you 153 cents USSD airtime or talk time. Don't miss this wonderful opportunity, and as you can see, they're telling you sign up. Now the link is in the description box below, and let me go and show you the website. As you can see, this website has got 5.4 million users, and this website is called Ecoin. The link is in the description box below. Don't rush, guys. I want to go with you step by step. Don't just go on Google and type this website because you want to make money. No, I want you to understand that there are so many other websites that are cloned also around this website, and they look the same as this website, so you may think that they will pay you, but they won't pay you. That's why I recommend you to go in the link description box below and go with that link and make your money today. So as you can see, this website here is telling that it is very, very powerful. I can tell you it is ranking in Alexa. I can tell you this, and you can see with me here, and Ecoin is very unique and very, very simple to operate. As you can see here, this is the CEO of this website. He was being interviewed by this person here when this company was launched, guys. So it is very, very easier to get inside. It is just a matter of inviting new users into this website, and you are going to make money after those people have gone into their email and verified that they have been sent an email from this website after signing up. Now I will go with you one-on-one on how to sign up, and I will show you what is supposed to be done, because this website has got 3 ways you can earn money with it. I will show you after getting into my dashboard. So this is Ecoin, and I will come here. If you have not created any account, just after clicking the link in the description, you will come here on sign up, and as you can see, signing up is very, very easier. It will just need you to have your own email or Google account. You will sign in with your own Google account, and after you sign in, guys, I already have my account. That's why you can see I cannot sign up, but I will only sign in. So let me sign in and show you what is in. And guys, as you can see here, I will have to go with my email. This is the same thing which you will also do when you are creating account with this website. And as you can see, now I am here. This is crypto for everyone. This is crypto for everyone. It is called Ecoin. And guys, the first thing which I tell you on how to make money with this website is by referring. And I'm going to show you my dashboard. My dashboard, as you can see here, this is my dashboard, and I am in the pioneer level. I have linked my mobile. These are all the things that you are supposed to do, and I have fully valid referrals, and I'm also valid this web. As I come here, I can show you that this is all that I've already made in just less than 20 minutes. I did this and I made this money, and I know if you can go and paste the same same process out there, you are going also more than even that I have made. So as you can see, you will just come here and you see that you have got your referral link here, which you can copy and paste it. If you have got a website, if you have got a social media accounts where you have got so many friends, you will have to share this with them after copying. Or you can just come and click this icon of WhatsApp. It will just direct you to WhatsApp page and you shall share the link. Here there are some other options like Facebook, Twitter and email. So as you can see here, on 28th of April I received a card reward for scratching, and the other one I received 300 Ecoin for saving interest. Okay, I want you to know that in this website you can either withdraw, you can choose to withdraw your Ecoins, or you can choose to be an Ecoiner for life, which means to the Ecoiners, it means you hold your cryptocurrency and then they will be giving you an interest. So like I don't want to withdraw, so I said I want to hold my cryptocurrency for almost 1 year, because this company is legit, is growing very fast, and I am doing that because if you look here, the current value of Ecoin that I have is $25. That is real money that I have account, and the future value is going to be $1,200, guys. And this, after this company has reached 100 million users, this is going to be worth of this value of crypto that I have for now. So imagine that you have so much Ecoin in your account, you have hold, you are going to be a millionaire, guys. It doesn't matter where you are coming from, it doesn't matter whether you are 18 years old or you are under. This thing is working. So that is the first thing you can make money with, by sharing your link. Now the second thing for you to make money with this company, we will come here where you share, and you will click there, and as you can see here again, they are saying that share news from here and earn 1 Ecoin for every click per news item done by friends. So it means per click, when someone clicks your link, even if they don't sign up, when you use this link, you are going to make Ecoin automatically inside your bank, inside your account. So there are so many things that you can do here. This is very easy, it doesn't require any identity or any KYC approvals here, like I said when I was starting video. So this is the second way you can make money with this website. And if you come again in my dashboard, you can see that here you can make again money in another way. You can become a referral trader. You can become a referral trader and earn money for referring others instant. Earn up to 1,000 Ecoin for transferring your referrals to buyers instant. Ecoin referral buy platform is live now. It's fully automatic. Once you set up price you want, you will get it. So it means 500 referrals sold already, and this is something that has happened. So if you have referrals, you can also become a referral trader in this website. And when you become a referral trader, it means that your referral still remain on your side, they don't go. You still make money as they make money on the other side. So this is the easiest way to make money online in 2021 and the rest of years that is coming ahead. I hope this video was very enjoyable for you, and as you can see here, if I come on my referral dashboard, I am showing you that these are people who have signed up with me in just 20 minutes, because this is not complicated. This is something you can also do, and I created this video to make it short and clear. Now some people are asking me, oh, how am I going to get referrals? Yes, I have created my account, I've verified. What am I? Now I want you to understand that you have got Facebook, you have got friends in Facebook, have got friends in Twitter, Instagram, in all those social interest on all those social media platforms. You can share your links, and don't spam people. Don't spam people, guys. Don't like people who spam others. Just be honest, share your link and speak to those people one-on-one. Tell them that this is a new free airdrop. If they sign up with it, they are going also to start making money, and it is very easy as that. And this is what I wanted you to do for this video. Just give me a like if you got that value, and if you got that value, don't forget also click that red button and click on the bell, that whenever I upload a new video you get notified. I know this video is going to change so many lives. I have made this money in just 20 minutes and you can also do it. So let's get into the next video. So thank you guys. See you in the next video.